friends.
Hi friends.
How are you? So today...
It's kind of a different video because I am wearing a blanket.
Today, Teddy and I would like to sing a new Chip Clip song with you. One that we never did in preschool even. So it's brand new. And it's about 5 little birds. And the 5 little birds fly away. But what we'd like to do is practice ahead of time because we're going to sing it to the tune of a song called Bingo. And I don't know if everybody knows the song Bingo. Remember the song Bingo?
Yeah.
Yeah?
He had a name and it was Bingo.
There was a farmer, had a dog, and Bingo was his name. Oh, B-I-N-G-O, 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 and Bingo was his name.
What fell?
A piece of tape. I'm getting our birds ready for flight. And then you sing it again, and then the next time you sing it, the next verse, you leave off a letter at the end. And instead of saying the letter, we clap. You ready? There was a farm... Nope, don't clap yet. There was a farmer, had a dog, and Bingo was his name. Oh, B-I-N-G, 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 and Bingo was his name. Oh. All right. There was a farmer, had a dog, and Bingo was his name. Oh, B-I-N, 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 and Bingo was his name. Oh. See how as more letters disappear, we clap more. You ready? There was a farmer, had a dog, and Bingo was his name. Oh, B-I-N, B-I, B-I, and Bingo was his name.
How many was there that disappear now?
The next verse, 4 letters are going to disappear. The only letter we're going to say is the B. There was a farmer, had a dog, and Bingo was his name. Oh, wait, I did it wrong. It's okay. There was a farmer, had a dog, and Bingo was his name. Oh, B, 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 and Bingo was his name. Oh. And now on this last verse, we're not going to say any letters, and we're going to clap the whole time.
Yeah.
And there's 5 letters in B-I-N-G-O, so that's how many times we're going to clap, okay?
5 times?
5 times. There was a farmer, had a dog, and Bingo was his name. Oh. And Bingo was his name. Oh. The end.
The end.
You like that?
Yeah, so now we have something else to show you.
Yep, so now we're going to sing a song called 5 Birds. We got the poem off of Play to Learn Preschool's Teacher Pay Teacher site. She calls them, I think, her Chip Clip songs or her Circle Time songs. And they're really great for pre-math, early math skills, plus just for fun singing. I use them all the time in the classroom as a classroom management strategy because once I start singing, the kids usually recognize it. It's an easy tune to start singing along with. So, I put 5 birds. Ready? There are 5 birds up in the tree, and this is how we count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this is how we count them. Uh-oh. One flew away.
That makes some honey.
Oh, that's Buzz Buzz Bumblebee.
Oh.
Now, how many birds are left up in the tree? We had 5, and we took away 1.
I put the other bird on Mom's arm.
Yeah. Now we have 4. There are 4 birds up in the tree, and this is how we count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, chirp. 1, 2, 3, 4, chirp. 1, 2, 3, 4, chirp. And this is how we count them. So like in bingo, when we took a letter away, we clapped. And our 5 little bird song, when we take a bird away, we're going to say chirp, chirp, chirp.
Chirp, chirp.
I should have said that first, sorry. Uh-oh, one flew away.
Hey.
There are 3 birds up in the tree, and this is how we count them. 1, 2, 3, chirp, chirp. 1, 2, 3, chirp, chirp. 1, 2, 3, chirp, chirp, and this is how we count them. Uh-oh, one flew away. There are 2 birds up in the tree, and this is how we count them. 1, 2, chirp, chirp, chirp. 1, 2, chirp, chirp, chirp. 1, 2, chirp, 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 and this is how we count them.
I was keeping 3.
I know. Uh-oh, one flew away. How many birds are left?
2, 1.
How many birds are left?
1.
1. All right, sit up and fix your body. Ready? There is 1 bird up in the tree, and this is how we count it. 1, chirp, 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 chirp. 1, chirp, 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 chirp. 1, chirp, 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 chirp. And this is how we count them. That was hard doing 4 chirps. Should I try it again, or should we go on?
Let's go on.
Uh-oh. This one flew away. There are 0 birds up in the tree, and this is how we count them. Chirp, 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 and this is how we count them. I hope you liked our song. It was pretty silly.
But there's 1 more. Ugh.
So Teddy's got something he'd like to show you, friends. Can you see?
I have to get these things out, the bubbles.
When you hold it up, they're going to come out. So hold it up. Hey friends, can you see what's on this board? What do you think they look like? Can you tell them?
Lowercase letters.
That's right. And what's special about this board of lowercase letters, Teddy?
That it comes with a little magnet crayon.
Like that. So that's a magnet at the tip. And what does that magnet do, Teddy? Why is there a magnet at the end of that?
So it can pull those little metal balls up.
Yep. Teddy has done a really great job of recognizing all of his uppercase capital letters. And so I wanted to find a really fun way for us to practice recognizing lowercase letters and practice writing them at the same time. So we found on Amazon this board. And so you take it, and what's really nice about it is that it shows you the proper way of where to start. So you start at the 1 and go around, and then lift up the pen, go up to the 2 and go down. And it shows you that for each letter. So you can walk your little one through the proper way
But I don't do
of practicing the letters. Yeah, we're still getting there. Being able to follow the numbers
Oh, well, we're just going to show you for fun how we do
is something to work up to. A really great way to just get started with it is to let them have fun with the magnet pen,
But was this,
exploring how magnets work.
But we're going to do, like, this whole thing about, like...
And talking about what letter they're trying.
and
It's not a good time to quiz them. It's a good time to just explore with them and teach them and point out what letter they're doing. Teddy, can you show them that you just made the letter K? So the letter K, you can see the difference. There's no beads popped up here, but there are beads popped up here.
use this next one down.
I know, we fixed it. So show them how, what if you want to reset it and you want to do it over again? How do you make the beads go away? You can use the back of the stylus, or you can use your finger.
Yeah, or your thumb.
Or your thumb. Both are pretty fun, right?
Yeah, we're just going to like draw stuff on this.
Show them. I'm going to hold it like this so they can see on there, and you draw with your stylus, okay?
1. That made 3.
That's true. It's also a great counting activity to count how many beads there are in the letter that you're working on.
And have way too much fun with this.
Is there really such a thing as too much fun?
Sure.
Right now I just want to do exposure to the letters, have them enjoy the tactile movement. I want it to be an enjoyable activity that we can keep revisiting.
I'm drawing a picture of me.
So is this board a thumbs up or a thumbs down? Oh, too close. Come on back here, Teddy. Come back here and show them like this. Awesome. They do also have the board in capital letters, and they have a numerical board too. Letter C feels sad. He's like, how come everybody else in my row got done? I want to get done.
Who?
Oh no, letter O. He's the only one not done on his row too. Hey, how come I don't get my magnets up? Where's my magnets?
Nah, you're going up now.
Thank you. 1, 2, 3, 4 more letters, and then you will have done all 26 lowercase letters. Zippity-doo-dah! The last letter on the board is the letter Z.
So what should the Z say about?
The Z should say, why am I always last?
Because you're the last one in the corner.
That's true. But we love you just as much as we love the other letters.
Did I skip any of them?
I see one in the letter Q. A little Q. Oh, there are 2. All right. Oh, letter F right there. Cool. All right. Do you want to push all the magnets down with your hands or your stylus? Awesome.
Yeah, it was funny how I rolled them.
Yeah.
Bye, friends.
Goodbye, friends. We'll see you another day. What'd you say?
I'm mommy.
Your mommy? You're being Miss Heather? Have a great day, guys. We'll see you soon. Bye-bye.
Peace.